The story of Pocahontas is a well-known and beloved tale that has captured the hearts of many. But beyond the Disney movie, there is a real and complex story of a young Native American woman who navigated a world of conflict and cultural differences. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the story of Pocahontas and the impact she had on early American history. Pocahontas was born in 1596 in the Powhatan tribe, one of many tribes that inhabited what is now Virginia. Her given name was Matoaka, but she was often called Pocahontas, which means playful one in her tribe's language. Pocahontas was the daughter of Powhatan, the chief of the tribe. She grew up in a world of conflict, as her tribe was frequently at odds with English colonizers who were expanding into their territory. Despite this, Pocahontas was known for her friendly nature and her willingness to reach out to the English. In 1607, English colonizers led by Captain John Smith arrived in Virginia and established the settlement of Jamestown. The arrival of the English marked the beginning of a new era for Pocahontas and her tribe. As tensions between the English and the Powhatans grew, Pocahontas was often sent as an emissary to the English to try and maintain peace. It was during this time that Pocahontas met Captain John Smith. According to Smith's account, Pocahontas saved his life when he was captured by the Powhatans and about to be executed. Her intervention is often seen as a sign of her willingness to seek peace and understanding between the two cultures. Despite her efforts, conflict continued between the English and the Powhatans. In 1613, Pocahontas was captured by the English and held for ransom. During her captivity, she met John Rolfe, an English colonizer who would become her husband. Pocahontas converted to Christianity and took the name Rebecca. She and Rolfe were married in 1614, and their union was seen as a symbol of peace between the two cultures. They had a son together, Thomas Rolfe, who would go on to play a significant role in early American history. Tragically, Pocahontas died at the young age of 21 in England while on a trip to promote peace between the English and the Powhatans. Despite her short life, Pocahontas had a significant impact on early American history. Her marriage to John Rolfe was seen as a turning point in relations between the English and the Powhatans. It was a rare example of cooperation and understanding between two vastly different cultures. Pocahontas also left behind a legacy of courage and compassion. Her willingness to risk her own life to save Captain John Smith and her efforts to maintain peace between the English and the Powhatans continue to inspire people today. The story of Pocahontas is a complex and fascinating one. It's a tale of love and conflict, of cultural differences and the search for understanding. Pocahontas was a remarkable young woman who left a lasting impact on early American history. Her legacy is one of courage, compassion, and a willingness to bridge the gap between different cultures. Thanks for watching.